Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to discuss about how you can fix Microsoft Team apps not working or can't join meeting problem solved. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So as you can see here, this is the Teams application and it is not working, or it is not connecting or joining. You are not able to join the meeting. Then watch this video till the end. You will get to know how you can fix this. So guys, what you need to do here, it's basically very pretty simple. You just need to go to your phone settings first of all, and also first make sure to check whether your internet connection is well okay or not. So guys, if it is okay, and if it is if you are facing difficult to join on Microsoft Teams, simply click on settings option here and then scroll down. So after scrolling down here, you will find this type of interface, app management. Simply tap on app management or install apps or manage apps option. So now here this type of interface will pop up. These are the application which has been installed to your phone. So now just search for Teams. You can see here Teams. This is Microsoft Teams. Simply tap here, and then now here you have to click on this force stop button, and then you have to stop the force. So after doing this, just click on storage usage and then clear the data and as well as the cache. So after doing this, scroll down and here you can see permission button. Simply tap on permission, and then you have to allow each and every permission here. So after doing this, you can go check it out. I hope this will absolutely help for you. So the last thing what you can do is you have to, if it is not working, then you have to uninstall the application, reinstall it, change the email ID, and then this will absolutely help for you. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video.